Tamil Nadu Technical Examination Question Paper, English Junior Grade, May 1983, 80 words per minute, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Yes, get ready, start. Sir, I am very grateful to the honorable members who have taken part in the discussion on the budget for the coming year. During the discussion in the past 5 days, many good and useful suggestions have been made from all sides of the house. I very much appreciate the keen interest taken by the members on the various problems faced by the people of this state and brought them to the notice of the government for necessary yearly action. Though it may not be possible for me to refer to each suggestion made by the members, I can assure them that all their suggestions have been duly recorded and they will receive the best attention of the concerned departments. I have also asked the various heads of department to carefully consider their suggestions and send a reply to the members concerned about the action taken on their suggestions. I shall now refer to some points. Reference was made to the difficulties of the workers in the various industries. Government are fully aware of their problems and our officers are taking all necessary steps to remove their difficulties. We will see that for the hard work put in by the workers, they get fair wages, reasonable bonus, and other amenities. The industrial development of any country depends on the willing, hard, and efficient work of the workers. So, it is very important that their welfare should be taken proper care of. The government know very well that opportunities for employment should be created in all the districts. With this object in view, the government have issued orders to the concerned authorities to encourage the starting of more and more industries in all the districts so that the people of all districts may get more jobs. At present, the opportunities for employment are more in some districts and less in some others. They will now say that each district is provided with more or less equal number of opportunities for employment. The government agree with the views of some members that the case of the people living in villages deserve better treatment. It is true to some extent that they suffer very much during the non agricultural season. The government have prepared some schemes to help them increase their income. These schemes will be introduced in a few months in some villages, will be extended to all villages in due course. Letter from S. Raman, Advocate, Madurai to R. Balan, 4 Car Street, Palani. Sir, I am writing this letter to you on behalf of my client Mr. Velan, Jail Road, Madurai. You have borrowed a sum of rupees 2000 from my client 2 years ago to celebrate the marriage of your daughter. At the time you took the money, you promised to repay it with interest in 10 months, but so far you have not repaid the amount in spite of many reminders to you by post and also many personal requests. You have not arranged for the repayment of the money. My client has waited for a long time as he is now in urgent need of the money to meet the expenses connected with the construction of a small house. I am to request you to take necessary steps to repay the amount due with interest within 7 days from the date of receipt of this letter. Yours faithfully, Stop.